Check out this Summit Appliance refrigerator. Now this is an amazing refrigerator. There's so many different shelves that you can use within this fridge. And if we open it up, you can see how cool this actually will be. This is at 39 degrees. And what we can do is turn on the light by hitting this here. And you can see that if you're at night and you come through, you just need to see what's in the fridge. You don't want to turn on all the lights. This is just a great option to have for your light. Now you can include water, soda, or any other type of drink down near the bottom, and it just fits everything so easily. We've included bottles in there and just made the shelves a bit closer together so that they don't have much space above them. We can just adjust the shelves however we want to adjust them, and you can see all of these little notches on the left here are places that you can put this little shelf into. So you can even lower the temperature by hitting this and raise the temperature by hitting that button, and it just is such an amazing refrigerator to have. We just included all of our drinks in this fridge, and as you can see, it fogged up because I opened up the door for a bit too long. But this is just an amazing fridge. It works well for any type of drink, or you could even include food in there if you wanted to as well. So this is just great. Highly recommend grabbing one of these if you can get one, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.